Growing a new apple tree without planting a single seed may sound surprising, but air layering makes it possible. The process begins by selecting a strong, healthy branch from a productive apple tree. A narrow ring of bark is carefully removed to interrupt the downward flow of nutrients while allowing water to continue moving upward through the branch. Now comes the natural rooting booster. Fresh aloe vera gel is applied to the exposed area, rich in natural enzymes, vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds. Aloe vera helps keep the wound moist and creates favorable conditions for root formation. Next, the treated section is covered with a moist rooting medium and tightly wrapped in clear plastic. This sealed environment locks in humidity while allowing sunlight to reach the developing roots. Over the next several weeks, the branch remains attached to the parent tree, continuously receiving water and nutrients. During this time, healthy white roots gradually develop inside the wrapping. Once a strong root system has formed, the rooted branch is carefully cut from the mother tree and transplanted into a pot, or directly into the ground. With proper care, it quickly establishes itself as a new apple tree. If you enjoyed this technique, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Agri Climax, and turn on notifications.